Now that we have learned the numbers from 0 to 50, let us move on to the verbs. Do you remember the types of verbs we learned previously? Yes, we learned the conjugation of the ER verbs. Do you remember the conjugation? Shall we say it once again? So, for the ER verbs, that is the verbs ending in ER, like for example, the verb donze. The verbs ending with ER, we would remove E and R and replace it with E, ES, E, E, ONS, EZ, ENT, ENT. I hope you remember this. So this is a conjugation for the ER verbs. So now we are going to see one more ER verb, but here we have a slight variation in its spelling. So we are going to see the verb Sappeler. This verb also ends with ER. However, this here S shows that it is appeler means to call oneself. To call oneself. So it is an ER verb. So the conjugation is similar. However, there is a slight change. So shall we see the conjugation? For je, we say je m'appelle. There is an extra L here. So that is the change we are going to make. So je m'appelle. I call myself. We have already used this expression. Do you remember where? Yes, in présentez-vous. When we were presenting ourselves, we said je m'appelle. It means I call myself or my name is. Je m'appelle. For tu, it is tu t'appelles. So the ending is the same. E and ES. However, there is an L here which is extra. This is the change that we are making. So, tu t'appelles means you call yourself. Tu t'appelles, you call yourself. Il. For il, we say il s'appelle. Il s'appelle. It means he calls himself. Il s'appelle. So, je m'appelle. I call myself. Tu t'appelles. You call yourself. Il s'appelle. He calls himself. For elle, it is elle s'appelle. Which means she calls herself. So, je m'appelle, tu t'appelles, il s'appelle, elle s'appelle. So, what is the next subject pronoun? Yes, it is nous. For nous, we say nous nous appelons. Note the spelling here. The extra L is not there. However, the ending is the same as for the ER verb. We would remove ER and we would replace it with ONS. So, nous nous appelons. We call ourselves. We call ourselves. Nous nous appelons. For vous, it is vous vous appelez. Vous vous appelez. You call yourselves. So, this one and this one means the same. However, this is in the plural form. Vous vous appelez. It is also used when you have to give a person respect. When you are asking a person who deserves respect, a person, an elderly person, or someone of a high authority, you would use vous. Vous vous appelez. You call yourself. Then, il. For il, it is ils s'appellent. Ils s'appellent. It means they call themselves. They call themselves. Ils s'appellent. For elle also it is elles s'appellent. It also means they call themselves. So, the verb is s'appeler, to call oneself. Je m'appelle, it means I call myself. Tu t'appelles, you call yourself. Il s'appelle, he calls himself. Elle s'appelle, she calls herself. For nous, it is nous nous appelons. Nous nous appelons. We call ourselves. For vous, it is vous vous appelez. You call yourselves. For ils, it is ils s'appellent, which means they call themselves. And for elles, it is also elles s'appellent. They call themselves. So, we already used this expression. Je m'appelle. Je m'appelle, and you say your name. If you want to introduce your, this is in the second person. If you want to tell someone your name is, you say tu t'appelles. So, if you want to say his name is, il s'appelle. If you want to say her name is, you say elle s'appelle. So, when you are introducing your friend, for example, elle s'appelle Maria. Her name is Maria. When you want to introduce yourself, your friend, you use il s'appelle or elle s'appelle. Nous nous appelons. It means we call ourselves. Vous vous appelez. You call yourselves. Ils s'appellent. They call themselves. And elles s'appellent. That also means they call themselves. So, I hope you have understood the use of this verb, s'appeler. It is similar to the ER verb because the endings are same. E, ES, E, E, ONS, EZ, ENT and ENT. However, in the infinitive, there is only one L. In the conjugation, there are two L's, except for nous and vous conjugation. So just note the change in the spelling. The endings are the same. There is a small change in the spelling. So kindly note that. So I think you are now thorough with all the ER verbs, including this verb, s'appeler. So shall we move on to the next verb?